Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I am Samina Yunus and today I am going to explain a grammar topic from lesson 1 of English book of 10th Federal. So the topic is noun and its kinds. So kinds of noun. So before doing kinds of noun, I would like to explain what is a noun. A noun names people, animals, places, things, events, qualities, and states. Nouns can be simple to understand because any name of a person, a place, an animal, or a thing is a noun. For example, Hassan, Sarah, Ali, Saad, Sana, cat, coffee, milk, fruit, chair, table, book, etc. So there are so many examples of noun. So now kinds of noun. First of all, I would like to discuss concrete noun. A noun which names a physical object that can be perceived by senses. The thing which we can touch with our hand. We can see and touch a thing is known as concrete noun. Like people, daughter, glass of water, glass of milk, piece of toast, fruit, bed, or any object which we can touch is called a concrete noun. Now come to abstract noun. Abstract noun is the name of some quality, state, or action. We cannot touch an abstract noun. We can just imagine it. Now here are some definitions of quality, state, and action. That what are these? So in quality means truth. Being a true person is also quality. Bravery, wisdom, kindness, softness, these all are qualities. Now states. What is a state? Like death, situation, sickness, health, freedom, slavery. Now action is some work like theft, hatred, laughter, love. All these are action. We just feel them, but we cannot touch all these things. So these are called abstract noun. Okay, now come to noun phrase. What is a noun phrase? A noun phrase refers to words that work the same way as a noun. Phrase means a group of words. So a group of words which we can use as a noun is called noun phrase. Okay. So now components of a noun phrase. So there is an example. I want a cute puppy for Christmas. You see here noun is a puppy, but for making noun a phrase we have added an article and an adjective over there. So it becomes I want a cute puppy for Christmas. So now they have categorized all these things which makes a noun phrase. So now first of all noun. A noun phrase must have a noun on which other modifiers are connected. A noun refers to the name of person, thing or place. So now the example is, the doctor took the drugs to the hospital. So these all are nouns. Now article. How an article make a noun phrase? So the example is, the office is always clean. The office is always clean. You see, we simply can say that office is always clean, but making this noun a noun phrase, we have added an article, the. The office is always clean. Now adjective. An adjective refers to a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Basically, the function of an adjective is that. But how this adjective can make a simple noun a noun phrase? The handsome man married today. The man married today, it can be a correct sentence, but making it a noun phrase, they have added the article handsome, adjective, man is a noun. The handsome man, so it becomes a noun phrase. Now how prepositional phrase can make a noun phrase? Like the clothes in the dressing room. The clothes in the dressing room are gorgeous. So in the dressing room, it becomes a prepositional phrase, but when it refers to a noun, it becomes a phrase, a noun phrase. Now how the determiners can make a noun phrase? These girls are beautiful. Girls are beautiful, simple noun. These girls are, they are determining towards them. They are pointing out the girls, and they said that these girls are beautiful. So it becomes a noun phrase. Now function of noun phrase, which I have described in my previous slide, same is here. So a noun phrase can be a subject, direct object, indirect object, complements, or an object of a preposition. So all these things I have explained in my previous slide. So you can go back to the slide and you can check it out. So now come towards the home task. Your home task is that you have to solve your grammar exercise A on page number 8 and 9. So I think this exercise is a fill in the blanks exercise. So you have to fill correct blank in that blank area. So I have also given you a worksheet which you have to solve. Okay, thank you.